For decades, Toyota built its reputation on one simple promise: buy it once, maintain it properly, and it will probably outlast almost anything else on the road. That reputation helped Toyota become one of the world's largest automakers and earned the loyalty of millions of drivers who rarely considered another brand. But something has changed. Over the past few years, a growing number of Toyota owners have started asking difficult questions after facing multiple recalls on vehicles they expected to be nearly bulletproof. For some, the latest recall wasn't just another inconvenience. It became the third major recall in a relatively short period, and that was the breaking point. As someone who closely follows the automotive industry, I don't believe Toyota suddenly forgot how to build vehicles. However, I do think the company is facing the same challenge affecting nearly every major automaker today: building increasingly complex vehicles while maintaining the legendary reliability that made customers fall in love with the brand in the first place. Toyota's reputation was built over decades. Toyota didn't earn its reputation overnight. Models like the Corolla, Camry, Tacoma, Land Cruiser, and Hilux became symbols of reliability across the globe. Many owners proudly drove their Toyotas well past 200,000 miles, with little more than routine maintenance. That reputation became Toyota's greatest marketing tool. People recommended the brand to friends and family because they trusted it. When buyers paid a premium for a Toyota, they believed they were also paying for peace of mind. That's why recent recall headlines have attracted so much attention. Why the third recall matters. Every automaker issues recalls. Ford, General Motors, Stellantis, Honda, Hyundai, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and even Tesla have all recalled vehicles for safety-related issues. A single recall usually doesn't destroy customer confidence. But when owners receive a second and then a third recall notice for the same vehicle, frustration naturally grows. Many Toyota owners have reported feeling disappointed because repeated trips to the dealership consume time, disrupt daily routines, and create uncertainty about long-term reliability. For buyers who specifically chose Toyota to avoid these headaches, multiple recalls feel especially disappointing. The engine problems that hurt Toyota's image. One of Toyota's biggest challenges recently involved its twin turbocharged V6 engine, used in certain Tundra pickups and Lexus SUVs. Toyota identified manufacturing debris left inside some engines during production that could potentially cause engine failure. Because of the seriousness of the issue, Toyota announced a major recall covering affected vehicles and committed to replacing engines where necessary. The company acknowledged the problem and began working with dealerships to repair affected customers' vehicles. While many owners appreciated Toyota taking responsibility, others questioned how such an issue reached production in the first place. More than one recall. The engine recall wasn't the only issue making headlines. Toyota has also issued recalls involving software updates, braking systems, airbags, and other safety-related components across various models over recent years. Not every recall affected every vehicle, and many involved preventive fixes before accidents occurred. Still, when owners begin receiving multiple recall notices, confidence can slowly erode. It's not necessarily the size of each recall that matters. It's the cumulative effect. Modern vehicles are becoming harder to perfect. Here's where I think the conversation becomes more balanced. Today's vehicles are dramatically more complicated than the Toyotas built 20 years ago. Modern trucks and SUVs include advanced driver assistance systems, turbocharged engines, hybrid technology, dozens of electronic control modules, over-the-air software capabilities, emissions equipment, and increasingly strict safety requirements. Every new technology creates additional opportunities for something to go wrong. Toyota is no longer building simple, naturally aspirated vehicles with minimal electronics. Instead, it's competing in an era where software and electronics are just as important as mechanical engineering. That doesn't excuse recalls, but it does help explain why even historically reliable manufacturers occasionally struggle. Competition is getting stronger. Another reason some Toyota owners are reconsidering the brand is that competitors have improved significantly. Ford continues refining its F-150 lineup. Chevrolet keeps investing in the Silverado. Ram has brought back the Hemi V8 while expanding technology features. Hyundai and Kia have dramatically improved quality over the past decade. Meanwhile, Honda continues attracting buyers with dependable SUVs and trucks. When Toyota's reliability advantage becomes less obvious, customers naturally begin shopping around. Loyalty is no longer automatic. Manufacturers must continue earning it with every new model. Social media amplifies every problem. One major difference compared to 20 years ago is the speed at which information spreads. A recall that once might have received a short newspaper article now generates thousands of YouTube videos, TikTok clips, Reddit discussions, and Facebook posts within hours. Negative experiences often receive far more attention than positive ownership stories. If 10 owners experience engine failure, millions of people may hear about it, even if hundreds of thousands of other owners experience no problems at all. This doesn't mean concerns aren't real. It simply means public perception can change much faster today. Toyota is trying to rebuild confidence. To Toyota's credit, the company hasn't ignored these problems. It has expanded recall campaigns, replaced affected engines, updated manufacturing processes, and continued communicating with dealerships and customers. These actions matter. Recalls are never ideal, but how an automaker responds often determines whether customers remain loyal. Many owners appreciate that Toyota has been willing to repair or replace affected components, rather than leaving customers with expensive repair bills. Still, rebuilding trust takes time. Should buyers avoid Toyota? I don't think that's the right conclusion. Toyota continues producing many vehicles with excellent long-term reliability records. The majority of Toyota owners remain satisfied with their purchases, and many recalled vehicles will continue providing years of dependable service after repairs are completed. However, I do believe buyers should research specific model years instead of relying solely on a brand's overall reputation. Every manufacturer has good years and bad years. Smart shoppers compare reliability data, recall history, owner reviews, warranty coverage, and dealership service before making a purchase. Brand loyalty should never replace informed decision-making. The bigger lesson: the recent recalls highlight an important reality facing the entire automotive industry. No manufacturer, not even Toyota, is immune to engineering challenges. As vehicles become increasingly sophisticated, maintaining legendary reliability becomes more difficult than ever. Toyota still has one of the strongest reputations in the industry, but preserving that reputation will require continued quality improvements and transparency with customers. The third recall may have convinced some owners to look elsewhere, but many others will likely stay if Toyota continues standing behind its products and learning from these mistakes. In the end, reliability isn't defined by never making mistakes. It's defined by how quickly a company recognizes problems, fixes them, and earns back the trust of the people who invested in its vehicles. For Toyota, that may be the most important challenge of all.